Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm with Moms Are Frugal, and I wanted to let you know that today I found the best math program ever. My sons have never ever before wanted to take math so bad as when we signed up for Mr. D Math.
Now that we've been talking about integers and we know what they are, let's look at adding integers. The best way to add integers is to think of gains and losses. That's the way that I like to do it. So if I think of this, if I had a gain,
We are using Mr. D Math this year for our pre-algebra classes. My son absolutely loves using the self-paced courses. He is able to take this upon himself, and he goes, and when it is time for his math class, he will go over and start the Mr. D Math class all by himself. It has easy tests, and the lessons are short, concise, and very to the point. He has never ever had any problems. Most of the material that is given in there is at a level that he understands. And I would say that it builds as the levels go up. So this makes it really easy for our homeschooling, because I am not really a good person that is able to teach algebra and math. Math is not one of my strong subjects. So when I found out about Mr. D Math, I was so excited to let my son try it, because it teaches him accountability and gives him responsibility for his own lessons. He is able to log on himself, and the other part that I really appreciate is the fact that I don't have to hire a tutor for math. Just because I can't teach it doesn't mean he can't learn it and learn it well. Mr. D Math offers lessons that are very precise and to the point. They're explained in a level that you can understand. Even if you're not good at math, they break out at a beginner level, and my son finds them very easy. He is getting high scores on the quizzes and never really complains about having to do math anymore. Mr. D Math Pre-Algebra is a great online self-paced course to try, so that when you're ready for algebra, then signing up for the course will help you to be ready to start the algebra class when they are sophomores or as they progress through their homeschooling time, and they will become very proficient in math, and this will enable them to feel strong and confident in their mathematical skills. Thank you.